Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain X 1200. Okay, so guys, this is gain X 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend milker trade indicator on this chart. Okay, this particular asset is a bit slow today. It has been slow since yesterday, so I think it's not having so much volatility within the last 2 days. Okay, so because I expect it to have gone more than this. Okay, we did this analysis in the morning, and I was like, if it breaks out, I mean below this, then it's going to sell more. And I made some highlighted TPs which we can take advantage of, posted then in the Telegram channel. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, and of course it should sell more, most especially once it breaks out from this particular support region. We expect it to sell more right from there. So I'm still going to go with more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, then the next asset is going to be gain X999. Let's check it out together. This has been an uptrend right from here, and of course it has been spiking and spiking. I also posted the signal for this in the Telegram channel, and it has given us the first TP, the second TP, and the third TP. So we are heading towards the fourth TP right now. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. It has been on a downtrend for a very long time. Got to this support zone, had a pullback, but came back down again. So it has gotten to a new support zone, trying to see if it can go back into an uptrend, but we need to wait for the right signal. For now, it is still very much on downtrend that is selling, which can also change into an uptrend in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, and wait for every necessary signals before we jump into it. Okay, next asset is going to be PINX 999. This is PINX 999. It had been on the uptrend right from this support zone, gave us the uptrend signal, broke out from this particular resistance zone, and of course it's got to this region, which happened to be a resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, this is still very much on uptrend, except not until it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so that is that. Okay, let's move on to the next asset, which happened to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Starting from here, even though it has been moving within this channel, okay, gets to the upper part of the channel, then come back to the lower part of the channel, and this has been the movement. It broke out above it at this point, and of course got to this resistance zone, and of course it came back again and entered the channel again. If it breaks out fully from this particular lower part of the channel, then it's going to sell more and may likely get to this region. But if it does not, then it will go back into an uptrend and target the upper channel again. So I'm going to say you should watch out for the breakout. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will keep on moving within this channel right from there. And of course, if it gets to the upper part of the channel, and if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more and may likely break out from the resistance zone also. Okay, so just watch out for the breakouts. So that is all we have for today. And in case you are going to be trading tonight, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos. learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you want to know more about my trading tool, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp details will be there in the description box below this video. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.